gonna get you, bunny. Oh, poor thing. What animal did this to you? Ooh, stay there.
Hey there!
What the fuck? Get away from me! Fuck. Nehues du. Please, God, is anyone home? Oh, hi there. Help me. Someone is after me.
Poor thing. I can help you, you know.
Help! Help!
Gotcha!
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago. But with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Well, howdy. How you doing? Do you need some gas? No. Oh, sorry. Yeah. What you looking for?
Sorry, she's been worried recently. We're looking for her sister, Maria.
Oh. Give me a second. Sorry.
Anna, it's okay. We'll find her. I promise.
Well, howdy. How you been doing?
Hi. We're here looking for Maria Flores. She's my girlfriend. I haven't seen her in weeks, and she disappeared around here, outside of Newt.
Did you say Maria Flores?
I think my mom knows something about that case. Really? I can lead y'all up there if That y'all would mean need. the world to us. Okay, Julie. Let's go back to the Pontiac.
Really?
Sure, you can come with us. Just lead us to over there, please. Be glad to meet her. Well, alrighty. I'm gonna go back down to my shack down there at the end of the road so I can go ahead and grab a few things that I need. Y'all can go ahead. Feel free to talk if you need or anything else. I'm sure she'll be open for talk. She might offer you some tea. I don't like it personally, but you know. Again, thank you so much.
Where's this go?
sorry to bother you, ma'am, but have you seen this girl by chance? She went missing around here. Name's Maria.
Why don't you come on inside and have a seat? Let me get a better look.
You sure? I don't want to intrude.
Oh, nonsense. I wouldn't hear of it. Come on in, sweet.
Again, thank you so much. I miss her so much, and I really hope she's not gone. Hopefully just car troubles. Maybe she's somewhere down the road. Is it okay if I sit down? Sure.
Oh, now would you look at that? Ain't she a pretty little thing? Is this your sister?
Girlfriend, and I'm getting pretty worried about her.
That's just horrible. You want some of this here tea, honey? It's fresh.
No, thank you, ma'am. I'm in a bit of a hurry, if you don't mind.
But I do need to go use the restroom. May I please? Sure, honey, go right on ahead. Just down the hall at the end to the left. Thank you so much. I'll handle the knocking real quick. Hold on. Oh, hi, darling. Yeah, friends in the bathroom real quick. You can wait out here a bit longer if you need. Sorry, I don't like it when a lot of people are in my house. You know how it is sometimes. I'm sorry. No hard feelings, though. Your friend will be out soon, don't worry. Oh my god, ew. Ugh, it smells nasty. Ugh. What's that noise?
New details have emerged in the grisly string of murders that littered Interstate 40 during 1971 and 72. Known only as the Terror of I-40, authorities say an unidentified woman spent years hitchhiking.
Wait a second. Is that Maria's camera? There's no way. There's no way. Holy crap, I need to get out of here now. Okay. I'm gonna sneak through this little door. Should get out through the back.
Well, you know what? I think I do.
Oh.
She come down here sticking her pretty little nose where it don't belong. You ain't never gonna find her. And they ain't never gonna find you. This type of behavior tends to occur when you go moseying around other people's homes.
Get the fuck away from me! Don't touch me! I'm gonna die.
It's better if you just get this over quick like. No use in struggling.